Hello everybody, in this short and simple video I would like to demonstrate how you can enter the higher resolution mode on this Redmi A1 Plus smartphone. So as you can see, my camera is launched, and in order to increase the resolution of the photos that you are going to take, you gotta simply scroll this list of modes all the way to the left, enter the more section and choose the 50MP mode, which basically stands for 50 megapixels. And now once you will take any photos, you will have increased resolution or definition, improved camera quality or photo quality rather, higher quality, more photo details, but you have to know that it comes at the expense of such pictures occupying significantly more storage space. So the pictures that you will take with the high resolution or 50MP camera mode will have much bigger file size. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.